Kumenyabana nige kaunti yo yanekire gukina sekerengo kigora sensemeri ya uchumi kwa yanekia yono mokonyi w'umugavana wa kaunti ya Kisii Dr. Robert Monda oyekeranite asomo yiga bwo igora orosagi rwastima sako imeye kaunti ya Kisii boigo CEO ostima sako Kamir Hassan nigo alireira gusira bamenyi borogongo rwa Kisii sensemo yenengo elinda kwanike bunango korabale oboncherere bwabo obwikirano Murikito Misi Josephat na ikirta asechinsemecho naboigo gotwaliganiria oroboti rukobwatia
Omochi okisingati yemechi emenene asorogongo rwa Nyanza yigendrete kwabage okolie buya anene ensemo yobonchoreria ayaniga kwano litikolia lero na mokonyi mu mugavana we county ya Kisii Robert Monda magayokora omoyega bwoko igora orosagia rwesako ya stima ime yomochi obosongo
print to this part of the Lake Region Economic Bloc. We really appreciate the society's decision to choose Kisii town as the location of the new branch. Truly, as it has been said, Kisii is quite rich in financial institutions. The number of banks in this town can only be explained by the presence of Central Bank of Kenya in Kisii.
Today has been a very, very good day for us. We have officially opened our 12th branch in the country, right here in Kisii at Waumini Center. We're very excited to be here. The event was actually opened by the Deputy Governor. We also had a very big representation from the Kisii County and also from the national government, and even had an MCA around. So
gago kwana asomo yegoyo nigo Robert Monda anyarekoba kwenekeria obotenerwe sake yo bune serikali ye county ya Kisii nechikoba yekubwaterana na kwenekia buna obokalari bwaye bwanyarekoba bokobo byamono.
The government of Kisii looks forward to working closely with the Stima Sacco to boost the social and economic development of our people. In my agenda for development in the county, the empowerment of youth and other vulnerable groups, including women and people with disabilities, through cooperatives takes center stage.
We thank you for opening the branches because as a government we wish that the services get closer to the people. Sometimes we just get that most circles have their headquarters in Nairobi.
No moye gonyara kopo wikiraniwa amona waziri kurwa sobotenerwe county ya Kisii nonyana bo umosio ostima sako Kamir Hassan niganyara koba kwenekeria abamenyi be county ya Kisii buna nigoro sagyo ruwa ya igoirwe kubwatekana no kogania okano kwanyara koba korokana ase e county yo.
And we've targeted Kisii County for one main reason. And the main reason is this, that we know Kisii County is known as a very big segment of it is business driven. We've seen that by our numbers. You might be surprised that we gave our branch a target of generating 174 million shillings of loans to the end of the year. Already in a span of 2 months that we have been operating in Kisii, we have surpassed that target by 27 million shillings.
Nonyena bonigo omo CEO yo Hassan nyarekoba kwenekeria abamenyi be county ya Kisii buna isake ya stima nechikoba gekorambalia na kweneke buna nyarekoba gigwikera abamenyi bali babwate anene okonyora ukorogoke.
The generalized term for the hustlers and everything. Stima Sacco's share capital is only 500 shillings. And there's a reason why we are the Sacco with the lowest entry level in terms of share capital power. And from there you can be able to save 20 bob every day, bare minimum. And you can utilize that as part of the savings so that later on you can come back to us and say, you know what, I have saved X amount of money and I need to borrow. And Makiu will give up to 10 times the amount of money that you've saved.
Kuripotiri kataseni Ndizi TV kure county ya Kisii Elitarane Josephat Hamese.